Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool for making presentation. So if you are struggling to make presentation for your research, or any other presentation, so you can use this tool to make presentation, to automate presentation. Just you can give an input prompt. So according to that input prompt, it will generate presentation slides for you. So other than that, it is also having different options like that is related with the teaching students and research scholars. So let us go on to today's video and explore that tool and how it will works out for our research paper article preparation and presentation for our that is PPT for our presentation. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to make an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the tool what we are going to discuss is that pitch grade. So here you can see that presentation make painless. So first we will discuss about presentation, and other than that you will see different resources available in this. So we will also explore that one also. So first, what would you like to generate? So here I am going to give a common topic or a topic that is related with my research: renewable energy usage in power sector. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. After that, so audience you can give professional and research scholars, that is I am going to give, and then you can give professionals and students and research scholars. Next, language. Here there are different languages are available. So in this I am going to select English. So mode of presentation, so here you can see popular modes. So these are the different modes are available. So sales pitch, marketing pitch, startup pitch, problem slide, solution slide, market size pitch, competition slide, team slide, why now slide. So like that different options for slide are available. So here you can see category wise different options of slides are available. So you can make use of this option. So see here you can see that. So different slides, even governance slides, graph slide. So for slide alone, so it will having different types of options. So just I am going to give presentation for a common thing. So you can select anything you want. So after that what you can do is you can click on generate. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So let us see how it will works out and how it will generate content for our research. So here you can see that our content for presentation is generated here. So this is the introduction slide. Next, this is second one is benefits. So next, this one is for economic benefits. Next is for social benefits, challenges and opportunities in renewable energy usage. So next you can see technological innovation, and you can see conclusion. So this is how the content for slide will be generated. So this is for a normal presentation mode. So here you can see the next option I have chosen is that why now option, why now slide. So accordingly the content in this particular that is slide is changed. So because what is the need for renewable energy usage in power sector, so that is all about this why now slide. So in this you can see for why now. So first one is climate change crisis. So next one is economic benefits. So next one is job creation. So next one is energy independence. Next, research and innovation. So like that, so it will generated why, what is the need for that particular topic. So accordingly it will generate content for the slide. So like that you can select any category you want related with your presentation. So after that what you can do is, so you can use that for your use that content for your presentation. So this is how you can make a slide that is generate content for slides using this pitch grade tool. So it is a fantastic tool where you can make slide instantly in seconds. So other than this there are different options available. So blogs, templates, companies, research. So in this first I am going to select research. So in this it will show some of the research blogs associated with this. So here you can see So these are the different blogs related with research. Here you can see college student essay topics, ideas and examples. So just to click on this college student essay topic and ideas. So here you can see that there are different topics and ideas will be generated here. The impact of social media on mental health, the benefits and drawbacks of online learning, the effect of climate change on environment. So like that, a common topic related for students will be generated here. So here you can make use of this option. So like that, there are different blog articles are available in this thing, that is research blogs. So apart from this, you can see templates. So just to click on templates. So here you can see these are the different templates available here. So here for example, so competitor analysis pitch desk template. So just to click on this template. So here you can see, so tips for creating a great competitor analysis pitch deck slide. So here it will give a step by step what you have to do with this particular topic. So like that, if you want to make presentation in any companies, you can make use of this option. So here you can see sales pitch deck template, next to portfolio template. So like that, different options are available. So you can make use of this option. You can select any of the template. It will show the step by step guidance how to prepare that particular slides. So next one is blogs. So just to click on this blogs, so different blogs associated with this will be available. So here you can see how to boost productivity and motivation in the workplace. So just to click on read more. So it will show this that is content, how to boost productivity and motivation in workplace. So here you can see establish clear goals and objectives, prioritize tasks and sets, and then so here you can see create a comfortable working environment, implement flexible working hours, encourage collaboration, introduce incentives, encourage breaks and recharge, rewards and recognize achievements, next to promote work-life balance. So this is how this will generate, that is speech grade will generate. So after that, so you can see companies. So just to click on this companies. So in this companies, you can see these are the different companies and models associated with this. Like that, you can search whatever you want. So this is not that much relevant to our research. So this this tool will be very helpful for students, research scholars and teachers, those who are struggling to make slides. So here you can see that in slides alone, so you can that is seen the different options are available. So whatever you want, you can make use of this option. So next you can use this review option. So just to click on this review. So here you can review, it will give feedback also. So for example, click on standard and give your content. So according to the content, it will generate feedback for you. So this is how you can review your content also. Next option is rewrite. So just to click on this option called rewrite. So here you can give original content and you can get the new version of your content, that is rewritten content in this column. So like that, you can use this pitch grade in different forms. So you can make use of this pitch grade to make your presentations very easy. So and also you can use this options also, review, rewrite. You can rewrite your sentences whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism. So you can use that option also. So go on and explore this pitch grade tool with the different types of models. That is just click on this. So different types of presentation models. So thereby you can get an idea how it will works out and how it will generate the important points for you. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.